Hello, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks for coming to hang out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. Subscribe, hit the bell, drop a like, and let's get to an amazing homemade cuticle oil today. Yes, that's right. We're bringing the homemade goodness right over here on Sugar Fingers. Let's get all of our supplies together and we'll be ready to mix and make this cuticle oil up. It's going to help the cuticles, it's going to help the nails, it's going to help the hands be soft. It's an amazing little oil. Get your roller ball tubes, or either you can use a dropper bottle as well. You're going to just need a tablespoon measuring spoon and just a bowl to mix it all up. If you have a funnel, that'll be great so that you can pour the great mixture into it. Let's get it started. We're just going to be taking vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps deeply nourish and soften dry skin while helping to reduce the appearance of dark marks and scars as well. Just take 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. The next ingredient we'll be using is avocado oil, a natural source of essential fatty acids and vitamin E and A. This oil helps bring nutrients back to deprived nail beds. Take 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in the mix. The next oil, a gentle friend. Grapeseed oil works well on all skin types to support skin's natural moisture levels. What gives grapeseed its extra oomph is why I give it the biggest serving size. It helps combat against environmental aggressors and cracked cuticles and hangnails, especially in the wintertime. Now just take 2.5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. And then finally, we'll be using lavender essential oil. Not only will lavender essential oil give this DIY homemade cuticle oil an overall pleasant floral scent, lavender contains soothing properties that can help reduce the appearance of irritation and redness. Just put in 1 to 2 drops of lavender essential oil. Now all you have to do is mix it all up together. Just stir it around in the bowl and then pour it into your roller bottle or either your dropper bottles. I was so amazed that it made so much oil, which I do need it. This is something I use constantly, not only for my nails and cuticles, but also to moisturize my hands. Now that it's all in the bottle, it is now time to put it to use. I just take the roller bottle and put it all over my cuticles and saturate my hands with it. Amazing. Beautiful babes, that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what you need to do. Always keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see you next time right here on Sugar Fingers. Bye.